Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos. Yes, after a very long time, I know I missed a lot of week without videos, but I wasn't well. A lot of stuffs were going on in my life. Yeah, we'll just describe those things in further video. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, first thing, sorry for that noise if you can hear, that's rain. In Mumbai it's raining like crazy, so just ignore that thing. Since I had to shoot this video right now because I am skipping videos since a very long time, and for the people who don't know, every month I upload my review like my last month, so we guys can connect. Yeah, okay, so for June first week I went my village. There was a function with my family, so I went there. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed a lot, but damn, that was so hot. Like, it was crazily hot there, like seriously. Even and there we don't have AC, and abhi to you know na, like AC ki aadat hoti hai, so it's, and fan also don't touch our body. It's like, it was really very hot, but since it was family time, function was there and we enjoyed a lot. And if you guys must be following me on my social medias, you must be knowing, and if not, then please go and follow me on social medias. You will get updated. Next thing, it was my friend's birthday, and we enjoyed a lot, and it was nice. We went outside, same Amir Mir, it's amazing. So if you guys must be following, you know, like, I like his singing a lot, so I'll put the clip over here, and if not, you can go on my social media and have a look. Then next weekend, like, all the weekends were busy. Like, first weekend I went village. There are 4 weekends, right? First weekend I went village. Second weekend there was my friend's birthday, and then third weekend there was one of my college friend who shifted US. So it was a farewell party of his. So we went there and enjoyed and chilled and all those stuffs. And the next week he was going, so we went to airport to see him off, and that's all. And the same week I went Gujarat for just SAE, like for darshan and all those stuffs. And then it started raining in Mumbai. It was amazing. The rains, like, it was literally crazy. The Mumbai was closed one full day. You know what? You guys won't imagine that one day, like the day when Mumbai was closed, it was declared as public holiday. I went from Goregaon to Borivali in Virar local at 5:30, and it was totally empty. Shit, I was like, kya hai? What's going on? But that was due to rain. And the next best thing happened in June was there was a baby girl. My brother's, I don't know how to explain. Okay, I'll explain. At our home, one baby girl born, and it's my brother's daughter. So it was really happy moment, and she's really damn cute. Like, I am in love with her. She's amazing. So that was the best part. Like, yeah, on this month, yeah, that was all for today, and nothing else done in June. And yeah, I'm not well, so you can figure that out on my voice, on my face maybe. And yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please do subscribe soon to cross 10k subscribers, then have a lot of surprises for you guys. Do subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe. Okay, bye bye, see you in next video.